Now we have reached to the third part of the story. First courtier said, "Indeed, yes, I agree, sir, he should pay a penalty." Then the third courtier said, "Ah, there he is. He seems to have brought it, but it is covered with cloth." Now, while all the courtiers were talking to each other, suddenly the third courtier saw Tenali. Then he said, "Oh, he has come, and he seems to have brought the painting." And the painting was covered with cloth. Tenali comes in with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lift the cloth to display an empty canvas. Now gestures means signals with his hand. The painting has only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge and a few lines of green at the bottom. Now, when he said to the man, signaled the man to open the painting, he opened, and what was that on the canvas? Only there were some curved strokes of black on the right hand side corner and a few lines of green at the bottom. Tenali, "Good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. If I wonder if I should have Rhine's trail like that." Now Tenali saying to the king, he is wishing good afternoon and saying, "See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. And it is a black stallion. Stallion is an adult male horse with the white star on its forehead. And look at the polished leather saddle. There's a saddle above the horse, and he's saying, I wonder if I should have the Rhine's trail like that." Raja, "What is this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make fool of me. There is nothing on this canvas." Now Raja is very angry because whatever Tenali was saying, explaining and describing about the painting, there was nothing like that. So Raja got angry. He said, "What is this? You are insulting me. There is nothing like a horse on this canvas. You are making fool of me." Tenali, "Well, you were the one who told me that you have to use your imagination when you look at the paintings. Imagine that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas, grazing on some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of its tail in that corner." Now Tenali explained to Raja, "Oh, you were the only one who told me to use the imagination. So, in my painting also use your imagination. You have to imagine the horse which is outside the canvas, grazing on some lush green grass." Now lush means healthy and juicy. Look, you can see the edge of its tail. He has just drawn the tail of the horse in the corner. So he is saying you can just see the edge of the tail. Raja, "You old rascal, you have got the better of me. Minister, where is that bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in my kingdom." Now he said, "You old rascal." Rascal means mischievous person. "You have got the better of me" means proved yourself to be cleverer than me. Then he gave him the bag of gold and said that you are the cleverest man in my kingdom.